Hello, welcome to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to go over this new PS4 jailbreak that is hilarious. This is over a very long decade-long jailbreak that got exploited, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We are going dark. So this is in regards to the PPPwn for the PS4. What is it? The PPPwn is a jailbreak chain for the PS4 released by TheFloW. It relies on, a surprisingly old public vulnerability in one of the free BSD network drivers, also known as the SPPP. The vulnerability was apparently never patched for PS4 or incorrectly brought back at some point. So details on how the vulnerability impacts the PS4 in particular, it could be found on the, the platform HackerOne. Now, PPPwn is confirmed to work up to the firmware that is 11.00 with existing implementations now available for firmwares 7.00 and up to the 11.00 included, right? Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So people on the 9.00 or below can still enjoy the previous jailbreak, which is the lowercase p, capital OOB, lowercase s, and then the 4. So adding a kernel to, adding a kernel exploit for lower firmwares include the 8.50, which gives users additional ways to eventually upgrade their console if they need to, right? This is just one of the benefits of porting a given exploit to multiple firmwares, right? In its current implementation, PPPwn is a full jailbreak for PS4 11.00 and below, and with custom firmware Goldhen having been ported recently, people on firmware 11.00 can now enjoy all the benefits of a jailbroken PS4. But for people running on firmware 11.02 or 11.50, this is the current status. PPPwn has seen various improvements following its release, in particular a port to C++, which has dramatically improved the exploit speed and made it viable to run the exploit from a variety of attacking quote-unquote devices, including Raspberry Pi or even your own TV or router. So in regards to the Goldhen, the Sistros custom firmware on the PS4 has been released for PS4 11.00, and probably the first thing you'll want to run on your newly exploited PS4, the Goldhen. Goldhen is a homebrew enabler for the PS4 packed with features for all intents and purposes. You can think of it as a PS4 custom firmware. It offers in particular a remote package installer, an FTP server, and a bin loader, meaning it's pretty much the only thing you need to load when you jailbreak your PS4 to have a lot of options at your disposal. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. See you in the next video.